Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to clear browsing history on Google Chrome browser. So that's been said, let's get started. To clear the browsing history, simply open your Google Chrome browser, click on three dot icon, here hover your mouse to history, then click on this history option. And here you will get all your browsing history. To delete this history, simply click on clear browsing data. And here you will get clear browsing data window. You can select basic or else advanced option. If you go with the advanced option, it will give you more control to clear your data. So we want to clear our browsing history. I'll simply select browsing history. If you also want to clear your download history, then you can simply click on download history, then click on clear data button. And it will clear all your browsing history from Google Chrome browser. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.